Hello, guys. Welcome back to the series of videos on home solutions to common ENT problems. Today, we have come with an interesting topic on itchiness of ear and how to clean them. We have done a study and we have found that there are more than 90% of the people in our country they have the habit of cleaning the ear using different objects. The reason they decide why they clean the ear is itchiness in the ear is just for pleasure, is their habit, or they think that it's important to remove the wax from the hygienic point of view, and other various reasons. They have been using different objects to clean the ear, such as cotton bud, Q-tip that's available from the medical shops, or they use either sharp pins, matchsticks, splints, whatever comes in the hand, they use it. At the onset, let me tell you, ear cleaning is not only unnecessary, it can be potentially dangerous and harmful to your ear. Cleaning of ear can lead to various complications and problems. It can lead to trauma to the ear canal and you can make it to bleed. People have come to us with bleeding ear. You can make a big wound inside the ear canal. Not only that, some people even have gone all the way into the eardrum and rupture the eardrum. And if the eardrum ruptures, inside the eardrum is small little bones that helps in hearing. Some have even disrupted those ear bones which helps in hearing, and the hearing has been reduced. And some people they'll end up with recurrent ear infection, ear discharge, pus discharge coming from the ear because of the habitual ear cleaning. Therefore, ear cleaning is not only unnecessary, it can be potentially harmful and dangerous to your ear. Now, people ask, then how do I clean my ear? There is no need to clean the ear. Ear has a self-cleaning mechanism. Whatever wax collects in, it has a migratory property and the wax usually falls off on its own as it migrates outward. Unless the ear is already diseased or because of the frequent ear cleaning you have distorted that mechanism, ear should be able to clean on its own. Therefore, cleaning of ear is not recommended normally. Now, why there is itchiness in the ear? The itchiness occurs because either the skin is very dry. Some people have dry skin and scaly skin that leads to itchiness. Sometimes it's because the water gets into the ear while taking bath or while swimming, and then that leads to itchiness. For some, they have the ear infection or fungal infection if they are still living in the humid conditions. So they can also have that can lead to ear itchiness. Rather than going into how to clean the ear, let us understand how to prevent ear from getting itchiness so you don't have to clean the ear in the first place. While taking bath, plug your ear and make sure that the water doesn't enter the ear. So if water doesn't enter, probably that will reduce one of the cause of itchiness. If it's because of dryness, you can apply some oil, mustard oil or olive oil, few drops, and then you can just push the straggles that's there in the front like that. However, if you have the history of ear discharge, ear infection of your doctor has told you that your eardrum is ruptured, you shouldn't use the ear oil, the mustard oils or the olive oil. The oil will then go into the middle ear and can and it can lead to middle ear infection. So if you don't have any previous history of ear discharge or ear infection or your eardrum is intact, then you can use the prevent the dryness in the ear. If you have ear discharge, pus coming out, ear infection, foul smelling discharge, then obviously you will have to visit the ENT doctor, get a proper diagnosis and proper treatment. So cleaning of ear is not recommended. Cleaning even with the earbuds or cotton bud. If there is severe itchiness, you can put some oil or you can just put some tragal pressure and then avoid digging inside the ear canal. If you think that this video is beneficial and you want to get similar videos in future, please press the subscribe button so that whenever I upload solution videos, you can get the notification if you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.